Hey guys, how's it going? How to use the new features in iOS 18.1.1. So once you go to your settings and go to the general, not iPhone storage, software update, make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version so you can have access, access all the new features. Now, if you want to know more about the features on iPhone, you can just go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser and search for iOS 18 features, and go ahead to the official website of Apple to show you, the new update on iOS 18. You have the Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence combines the power of generative models with an understanding of your personal context to deliver intelligence that's useful and relevant. So you can go back to your screen and go ahead to the settings and double check if your Apple Intelligence is available. And as you can see, I don't have it yet because the Siri, our Apple Intelligence is only limited to iPhone 15 and 16, I presume. So if you don't have it, that doesn't mean that you don't have all that new features. Now, go back to the article, and here it says personalize your home screen. So if you want to basically arrange apps and widgets on your home screen and change their sizes, you could just go back to your screen, hold your screen right here and click edit at the top left, and you can just go ahead and click customize, the second option, and you're gonna be able to make the apps large or small, and I can use dark or automatic or tinted, and tinted allows me to change the color of the apps. Okay, as you can see right here, I can change the colors, right? And as you can see, it will apply to the whole apps. So this is another feature that you can use. And here you're gonna see the sunshine or the sun icon. You can just use it. Don't use it. Use it, as you can see, to lighten the background. If you don't want to use it, just go ahead and make it dark. Go back right here, and we learned now that we can customize the home screen and change the color. Lock and hide apps. Protect sensitive apps and the information inside them by locking or hiding them. This is a good, amazing feature if you own iOS 18 or if you own iPhone in general. You could just go ahead and select the app, for example, let's say PayPal. Right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hold and see right here the pop-up window, click require face ID. Now if I clicked require face ID, the app will remain on the screen, but they will require my facial recognition in order to get access to the app. And if you hide it and require face ID, the app will be hidden from the home screen, app library, and it will only be appeared on the hidden apps, right? So this app will no longer be visible on iPhone except in few places such as settings. Face ID or your passcode will be required to reveal, open, or use Siri with the app. So basically, you can hide the app and unhide them basically by going to your app library, scroll a bit down, you're going to find right here the hidden section, and you're going to be able to confirm via facial recognition and just hold the same settings, right? The same settings of requiring face ID, you can just do it inside the hidden apps and then just select do not require face ID. And you're gonna see right here, change the lock screen controls. Swap out to the controls at the bottom of the lock screen for other options like timer or calculator. This is an amazing feature if you want to swipe down right here, right? You can hold right here your screen, right? And basically click customize and basically go ahead and select home screen. And basically what I'm going to do, I can just now customize and change right here, cancel this and then click the plus button. It used to be camera and flash only. Now I can remove it and change it to whatever feature that I want. Let's say for example a Quran, and I'm gonna just add it from here, and I can remove the flash and then just click the plus button. And let's say for example I'm gonna add chat GPT, and then I'm gonna hit done at the top. Now I just made it like this, right? So this is amazing feature if you are using iOS 18. Okay, and you have the control center to redesign control center features, new groups of controls, so you can quickly take actions on more features. You can just go back to the screen, swipe down to your control center. You can now add new controls. You can just remove the the ones that you don't need and add ones from your controls. And as you can see, same settings as the lock screen. You can just go and add whatever you want in the same order that you would like. So in my case, I could just go ahead and just add notes, right here. And now I can move it even if I want, and change the location. Okay, so basically there is a lot of features on iOS 18, but this is essentially the features that you're gonna expect on iOS 18. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.